Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to work with SQLite in Python. First of all, what is SQLite? SQLite is a lightweight disk-based database. For using this database, we no need to install anything. This is a zero setup database. Coming to working with Python, Python also provides a built-in module called SQLite 3. Using which we can directly start interacting with the SQLite database. So now let's get started with the code here. The first thing first, we need to import SQLite 3 module in our program. And then we need to connect to the database. So as I mentioned earlier, SQLite is a file-based or disk-based database. So we just need to create a file called database.db or any name that you can mention here, and using this connect method we can connect to that particular database. Now the connection is created. On top of that, we need to create a cursor object using that connection, and now using the cursor we can execute any SQL queries. So as you can see here, we are creating a users table here. This users tables will be having name and age as columns. So after executing these queries, we need to commit and then finally close the connection. So let's execute this one. Yes, we ran this one, and let's moving on. Now let's see how to insert the data. Even for inserting the data, same, we need to create a connection cursor object. On top of that, with the execute method, we can execute the SQL queries here. So I hope you all know the SQL query for inserting the data into a database table. So here in this users table we have name, age. So for that I am passing these two values here. So let's run this one. And now let's see how we can query the data from the database. So for querying also same thing. Basically using this execute method, we are directly executing the SQL queries. So see this one, and cursor.fetch all, because I want all the data. So in the rows I will be having all the rows. So using a for loop I am trying to print all the rows. Let's run this one. You can see here there are total 5 records are there. Okay, so I was keep on running this same database, so that's why I have this Alice multiple times here. Now let's move on how to update the data. For updating data, see I'm using the another SQL query here, and let's say Alice, if the age I want to update it to like maybe 8. Okay, now let's run this one, and it has been run, and let's verify that. See here, the age has been updated to 8. And finally, if you want to delete the table again, we can execute the query, SQL query, using execute method. Yeah, that's all guys. If you have any doubts about Python and SQLite 3, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.